Little lion, what can you see? Wow, look at this lion. Look at those funny eyes. Oh my goodness. Whoa. And look at his furry mane. Look at that. Wow. Big elephant, what can you see? Look for someone small that talks. A lively bird that sings and squawks. I think they're talking about this parrot. Yeah. Look at this elephant though. Look at his, oh my goodness, those eyes. Oh. Fast cheetah, what can you see? Search for someone moving slow. A steady tortoise on the go. Let's see if the cheetah can find him. Oh, how has he got any chance with those eyes? Let's try and help him. Someone moving slow. Oh, here's the steady tortoise on the go. All right. Next. Black and white zebra, what can you see? Look out for a curly tail, a little friend with rainbow scales. Now look at that. Zebra's trying so hard to look, but all googly eyes. Let's see. A curly tail and rainbow scales. Here, that's a curly tail and rainbow scales. Wow, what's that called? That's a lizard. Next. Playful monkey, what can you see? Search for someone in the tree. A sloth that's sleeping peacefully. The monkey's looking, oh my goodness, how does he not get dizzy? Oh, I would get dizzy if my eyes did that. We're looking for a sloth in a tree. Well, here's a tree. Oh, shh, gotta whisper because the sloth is asleep. Because it's night time. Roar! A loud lion, what can you see? Look for someone soft and shy, a quiet mouse that hides nearby. Oh, look, he's trying to look for it. Roar! Where's that little mouse? Roar! I'm getting dizzy. Let's try and find, can you see a little mouse anywhere here? Oh, I can't find it. Where is the mouse? Oh, there. There he is. And he went squeak, squeak, squeak. You can't see me because you've got funny eyeballs. Thank you so much for joining me for another story. And I hope you'll join me for another one soon.